Program में एक बार फिर खुश आमदेद. Do you have the intent to be part of this international stabilization force? And again, the Field Marshal Hassan Munir was in Egypt last October. So I hope there you must discuss Middle East crisis. So did Pakistan give any kind of intention or commitment to be part of this international stabilization force?
Again, a lot of countries expressed their readiness to participate, but every country of those, they are waiting for specific answers of the different questions in order to contribute with troops.
Okay, and let's talk about the temporary transitional authority over there. Again, who will pick the people for this authority over there?
Well, we have already a list of technocrats, administrative technocratic committee. We have the names, and we picked up the names long time before, and now we are coordinating with the Israeli side, with the American side, in order to approve this list and to deploy them in order to take care of the daily and the basic daily life and the basic services for the Palestinians.
Okay, fine. In fact, after Pakistan-India conflict and then the situation what we have witnessed in Middle East, now here is the opinion of some political parties that Muslim countries also have a military alliance like NATO. So being a Minister of Foreign Affairs of Egypt, would you like to go for this idea, or would you like to second this idea to have this kind of alliance among the Muslim countries?
Well, first of all, as you know, the League of Arab States, during its ministerial meeting last September, they approved a draft resolution by Egypt and Saudi Arabia in order to put specific principles which should guide the future of the regional security arrangement in the Middle East in cooperation with Muslim countries. And it's open for everybody. This security arrangement regime should be guided with principles such as no military solutions to the crisis, but only political and peaceful one. No interference in the internal affairs of the different countries in the region. Also, the issue of maintaining and preserving the sovereignty of each country and territorial integrity, and not to use force in settling out the differences, you know. So those are also the universality of the principle of non-proliferation. So those are the principles approved by the Arab countries, which is representing the majority in the region. And based on those principles, we are open to cooperate with different countries. Of course, we have long-standing relationship with countries such Pakistan, and we are open for cooperation based on those set of principles.
Okay. And how do you see the Pakistan-Saudi Arabia joint defense agreement, and would we expect that in the future country like Egypt want to have this kind of agreement with Pakistan?
Well, this is, as we understand, a defensive agreement, and we welcome any kind of agreement of defensive nature, of course.
In fact, in the field of defense, in fact, many countries are more interested to have JF-17 Thunder war aircraft to buy from Pakistan. So, what about the Egypt? Are you interested to buy this aircraft from Pakistan?
Well, nothing being concrete, and it's the matter for the military, of course, in the two sides to decide. But again, nothing concrete. But we are with cooperation in different issues related to defense and security matters, including fighting terrorism, training, capacity building. We are open, of course, for that.
ایک بریک لیتے ہیں چھوٹی سی, واپس آئیں گے تو مصر کے وزیر خارجہ کے ساتھ گفتگو جاری رہے گی.